So the next one that we are going to be opening up is the Logitech Yeti Orb. So currently this microphone is $99 on JB Hi-Fi, which is pretty cool. I like it. So this is a condenser mic. Yeah, custom condenser capsule. So this is the Yeti Orb. Obviously the orb can be removed from its stand and be placed into a boom if that's how you want to go. As long as the G, obviously for Logitech Gaming, faces towards you and you can see the light. With a couple of tweaks in the filters, it definitely could be an awesome microphone if you aren't willing to pay for the extra XLR stuff. Yeah, I haven't really had too many USB mics, so this is pretty cool. I like it. And we know, if anything, Logitech will always brings out quality stuff. So being a $100 microphone on Logitech, it's pretty good. Check 1, 2, 3. Mic test on stream. That's not too bad. Obviously you can definitely play around with this to make it your own. So if you're into all this sound stuff, this is all the stuff that you can obviously really do. I normally do all of this on OBS. There are different effects that you can have. Everything from alien to DJ robot to ethereal to fishbowl, a high pitch haunted even, robot whisper, witness protection.
Squeak, squeak, squeaker. Squeaky, squeak, squeak.
Hello, I'm your subconscious. Welcome to Matty J Stream.
This is the Logitech Yeti Orb, currently retailing for $99 AUD at JB Hi-Fi, $69 if you are near a Scorp Tech, and this is, yeah, literally the sound of a Yeti Orb.